Storm Team 8.
Good morning and thanks for joining us. Temperatures outside are near freezing. Some spots are actually above freezing. The lakeshore, for example, right around 32 degrees. We might see these drop by a single degree once we get to about 8 a.m. But in general, we're going to see a warming trend today. And even though these temperatures look warm, especially compared to yesterday, a good 12 degrees warmer in Grand Rapids, for example, they don't really feel that warm, and that's because we have the wind chill today. So when the wind blows, for example, right now it's feeling like 22 in Grand Rapids, Holland it's feeling like 25, Kalamazoo 26, and Battle Creek 24. So yes, we're technically warmer, and we are going to see that warm up, but it's going to be slow. We're probably not really going to feel the impact of it until we get to about Monday, and then Tuesday we'll really feel mild up in the mid-40s. Here's a look at visibility. Big Rapids, Mount Pleasant. You can see very reduced visibility up here. This is probably fog along with a little bit of snow flurry action, maybe even a little bit of that patchy drizzle. Another location that we're kind of concerned about seeing some of that snow and patchy drizzle is Muskegon, stretching down through Holland, Grand Haven, and South Haven. Today, the lakeshore has the best chance of seeing some of those slick spots. And you can see that we do have a small system that's getting ready to roll over the lake. It's going to take several hours to get here. It's probably not going to get here until right around lunchtime. And as it does so, it could once again give us just a little bit of a dusting or a little bit of drizzle throughout the day that could create some slick road conditions. Other than that, it's pretty quiet for Sunday, so pretty easy to take as long as you're aware. Futurecast looks like this, 9 a.m. You can see those counties that are mainly going to be impacted north and to the west of Grand Rapids. Everyone else has a smaller chance of being impacted by this system. And then once we get to 2 and our temperatures warm up to about 37, you can see it's more of a rain-snow mix, so that's why I was mentioning drizzle instead of just snow flurries like we're seeing this morning. 10 o'clock. Cloud cover, and then once we get to Monday, you'll notice we could see a few breaks in the clouds and then a big sweep of cloud cover by the time we get to 2. Close behind it is the rain. So the rain's not going to move in until we get very late in the day on Monday. So for the most part today, 37, cloudy and cool, mostly dry. Our winds will be right around 10 to 15 miles per hour, and then the rain arrives late on Monday. It does stick around all day Tuesday though, so if you have to do things on Tuesday, it's going to be kind of on the damp side. Wednesday, which of course is Christmas Eve, is going to start with rain and then slowly transition over to snow. And then notice the temperature on Christmas Day. This is probably the biggest adjustment that I made to the 8-day forecast. Now at 36 degrees. We've got a lot of movement in this Christmas system that actually hasn't even formed yet. I mean, it's probably going to be forming tomorrow. So now's the time that things are really going to become more solidified, more in focus. And at this point, it's looking like Christmas Day might be a little warmer in the afternoon. Still looks like we could see a few inches on the ground in the morning, but the afternoon we might warm up.